Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us see how to prepare beetroot vada without oil in air fryer. For making this beetroot vada, I have created 1 cup of beetroot and I am going to soak half a cup of chana dal and half a cup of tur dal. First wash these two dals well and add required water. In this I am going to put 4 red chilies. You can cut this and soak so that it absorbs water easily, and add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Soak for half an hour, and after half an hour let us first grind these red chilies and the fennel seeds and cumin seeds with some dal at first, and after grinding that let us add the rest of the dal and required salt to it and grind well without adding any water. Now we shall add the grated beetroot, 1 cup of grated beetroot to this dal, and mix well and make vadas and keep it in the air fryer tray. Let us set for 395 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and switch on the air fryer. After 7 minutes we shall open the tray and let us turn the sides of the vada. Let us turn like this and keep it upside down. Let us turn all these vadas and continue the other 7 minutes to fry on the other side. See, now I have turned completely all the vadas, and we shall fry for next 7 minutes, and at the end the vadas will be ready to serve. This is a very tasty beetroot vada made without any oil. You try this at home and give your comments. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have given the related links in the description. Thank you.